Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ticketmaster tickets that someone added to their Apple Wallet to someone else, even if you don't have an iPhone, don't have a Mac, and don't even have any tickets in your Ticketmaster account. This is a simple explanation video, and I'll walk you through the exact steps. Before we start, there's one thing you must understand. You cannot transfer a ticket from Apple Wallet directly. Apple Wallet only stores a copy of the ticket. The real ticket is always stored inside Ticketmaster. So no matter who wants the ticket, you always transfer it inside the Ticketmaster app or website. For this tutorial, we won't use real tickets. I'll only show you the steps using the menu options that everyone can see. So first, 1. Go to Ticketmaster.com. 2. Click Sign In and log into your account. Then, click My Events at the top. Even if your events list is empty, the process is still the same. Normally, if you had tickets, you would see the event card here. When you click that event, you will see your ticket and a button labeled 1. Transfer or 2. Send. This is what you would use to send the ticket to someone else's email or phone. Here's exactly how the transfer works. 1. You click Transfer. 2. Select the seats. 3. Enter the other person's email address. 4. Click Send. Ticketmaster sends them an email link. They click Accept, and the ticket moves from your account into theirs. Now, what about Apple Wallet? If someone tells you, send it to me from Apple Wallet, you can't because Apple Wallet tickets have dynamic barcodes. They refresh every few seconds. Screenshots or copies won't work. Entry scanners will reject them, so the system forces you to transfer only through Ticketmaster. When the person accepts the ticket in their Ticketmaster account, then they can open the ticket and tap Add to Apple Wallet. The ticket will appear in their Apple Wallet, not yours. And that's it. That's how you transfer Ticketmaster tickets that someone added to their Apple Wallet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.